Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo A74. So if in this device, if you are having any problem like your device heats up while using or the temperature of the device increases, you can easily fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we start it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps to watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo A74. Let's watch it.